Hey everybody, I'm Death Dealer and welcome back to unboxing. What's in the box? What's in the bag? I really don't know this time. I didn't get this. This is a DREADPOOL thing. Oh, he's sitting here watching me. I feel like I should be nervous. Okay, I like it. Oh, that's neat. I like that a lot. Okay, so it's a Michael Myers shirt, which is my favorite, so that's funny. Okay, so that was it. I don't know anything about it other than I know what it is. I guess like, subscribe. I'm Death Dealer. I'll see you later. Bye.